Welcome to North Carolina's Orange County Public Library. In this video, we'll show you how to use the cart and list functions in the library's digital catalog. In order to use the cart and list functions, you must be signed in to your library account. If you're signed in, you can see the items in your cart by clicking My Book Cart at the top of the screen. In order to add an item to your cart, search for the item's listing in our catalog. When you find the listing for the item you want, click on the cart icon. A confirmation will appear next to the listing, as well as the option to view your cart. There are several functions you can perform within your cart. For example, you can use your cart to place holds. Clicking the Request It button beside a title will place a hold on that item. To place multiple items on hold at once, select the items you want, then click Request It at the top of the screen. Your cart will empty when you log out of your account, so you'll have to save the items in it if you want to remember them later. There are two ways to do this. First, you can select items from your cart and send them to yourself in an email or print them out. This is helpful if you want to remember all of the items that were in your cart at a given time. The second method is by adding items to a list which will be saved in your library account. In order to add items to a list, select the items you'd like to save, then click Save to List at the top of the screen. Select the list you want and click Add. You can also create a new list and add your selections to that. The process is the same as saving items to an existing list, except instead of selecting a list, click Save to New List. Name your new list and then click Create. To view your lists, click My Account at the top of the screen, then select My List from the menu on the left. This will show you all the lists you've created. Click on a list's name to see the items in that list. Unlike your cart, items will remain in your list even after you log out. However, if you want to save your list offline, you can do that by clicking Export My Lists. You can then email the list to yourself or download it to your computer as a .txt file. The items in your list link to their listing in the library catalog. Within a list, click the title of the item you want, and it will take you to the item's listing where you can put it on hold. If an item is removed from our collection, it will be removed from your list as well. If you have any questions, you can call us at 919-245-2525 or send us an email at library@orangecountync.gov. Thank you for using North Carolina's Orange County Public Library.